Okay, guys, we'll be solving question 8 of grade 11, November 2017 question paper. So I'm just quickly going to read through the statement. So you're advised to start this question on a new page. So it's in most cases advisable that when you start a new question, you start it on a new page. It doesn't gain you any additional marks or anything of that nature. It only helps whoever will be marking your paper to not struggle in missing some of your questions, or just to avoid making it difficult for them to easily mark your paper. So it's always advisable that you start a new question on a new page. So the question reads as follows. Two identical point charges, X and Y, are placed 2 millimeters apart. Point P is 3 millimeters to the right of charge Y. The net electric field at point P is 5.44 by 10 to the power 6 Newton per coulomb to the left. So remember what I've told you guys. I've drawn what they drew on the question paper. So I've mentioned, but it was on a maths lesson where I indicated that normally when you're given a statement followed by a drawing, most of the information which is given in the statement will be represented on the drawing that you're given. So in this case, you've got your X charge and your Y charge. And most importantly, it was indicated that these two charges are identical. And also, they are placed 2 millimeters apart. And then you've got your point P, which is placed 3 millimeters apart to the right, of course, to the right of point Y. And again, this point P, it has a net electric field of this much to the left. So remember, guys, in physics, you've got a vector and a scalar quantity. So a vector quantity, it has a direction. Not only a direction, but it's a magnitude and a direction. Whereas a scalar quantity has only a quantity, just like mass. It only has a value, but then it doesn't have a direction. So again, in physics, you need to remember that we measure our distance in meters. So that means you might need to straight away convert your millimeters to meters. So I normally just do the conversion on the drawing. You can either divide these two by 1,000, or you can say 2 by 10 to the power minus 3 meters. 3 by 10 to the power minus 3 meters. So it's by 10 to the power 3 to the power minus 3 only if it's in millimeters. So if it was in centimeters, it was going to be by 10 to the power minus 2.